Absian, sad news. Yebeshe de Echegu efa Kumawood actress Mercy Asiedu. Woni nikunu eye wahini yebeshe de Echegu efa womumienu ehojuma de eye 3-in-1 news na mesramo ansana no. Yemi kan emfa we entwam embra yeba yebekọ wo nsem so de asi ane de ekonyina.
Ya o nti wiase we kura yebe de wiase we ti wan abrante etima titini mo wure ma bobra na nyankopon adom a said wetima sifie we ene ebe on ba bi o hye ene ya deda no wa ase ni wiase we na ya tima titini mo wure mu pa timia asida we edaka kraka we pa se wantrem kura mante kura wani wodani mu ya wiase we na ya papa wiase on ya Messi daga kraka we ni mu mi ntimi nkwa ni mu nka mitwa ho na kire mu me ya papa eda ka kraka no si wa nya yimpo kra ene wawu so ahu e bi esa deda na kete ene ya awre ko papa nya easy so ahu e bi deda na wo ayi black na wo we asi we ya papa young boy ti Messi dawe pa wa antima ntrem kra ani busumi mi rumpo ene ba bi ono nkwa ya yedina to ayekusi yeba akwakosi no wiase ya na ye o jeje papa wiase we
abusia wiase we ensem pese bra na imagine lasawa something like this the public said Dr. Grace Buodu imagine said your babesia o si bre penyes kasisia down to talk cars na say at age 30 something 40 kra wandu na pam we dey utimuza wa mbre kura na nka we yakobolo fa brabo ni mu enjoy kura na nka bibi se ya na so bebra na bibi se di awutia e basa na kire se adani ensempi mesra mo yentinsim ewo Mercy Asiedu mu aside die eko abusia ewo Mercy Asiedu eni nikunu eye ohini ensem so nipa wo boye die eko mu eye ye kan sen eye senior manya owo miskin yisui abusunya one god ono ena wode de eko nyina ema ye achese efa wo mo ho a eye wowuo ensem na mepamchaw ye nya butere entie abusunya one god embrace said ye esitie eni said ye wosi chirem ade achire ye
aguda oba pani Mercy Asiedu susu wiase koja do boditi na koja bo cho susu wiase nya de papa eno menu ada se obi oben pa odofu bi pa be film anasa wu ni parangasa na obi film e sad news epia ebe hit the whole Ghana enti oba pani Mercy Asiedu oba ba bomode twa na mo na famasi mi ni agro e da susu wiase wo suit mi cross check why so kru yo here catch na na so on catch na confirm no mo na ye adwuma no se mo hwima no mo kan kire no why se na na confirm mo timi hu kan kwa dia ka we ebe boa
abusia na chese according to eye senior man we eye message bi awowo e de ema Mercy Asiedu ani ne kunu a wo kire mu asedi wo si kasa no na kire se wate ase te se de ebinum akuku na ho na se Mercy Asiedu ankuku na ho a ene wo no mum na kire se beko ne kunu na ho na kire se de wo si kasa no se ni kunu ankwa Mercy Asiedu na mu be den ebeko a wo pese obo be den ebehu no according to eye abusunya one god our friend who the nation sia enti abusunya mesra mo se wodi ensem yi amane Mercy Asiedu ene ne nkrofo no yemfiri wo mo ensem yi so na yentoa so ewo akwanhia bi a eno so asia chese abusunya asoki Ghana fo nyina na wo hwe akwanhia na eye wo mu Toyota ka yi bi eye chese V8 yi bi na wo hwe se de ka no anim ani akire nyina asi amoa na Ghana fo binim si jai yade se de atene se nipa na chese wo drive anase mo a na wo wo eye kai mu no de atene so mu nyina eye chese okay a chese de Ghana fo binim kan se na chese nye ka papa de wunya na chese de ndem because wo hwe se de V8 pa akire asi aye na akire asi abu agumu abusunya ese wani what I say yes ye chese kabi na ebe pim the to with full speed ene abusunya abu atwo na gumu a chese anim ne so a akopim ye no chese aye te sese no na we V8 mpo na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ you na sɛ ɛkɔyɛ ɛyɛ kan sɛ ebinom sɛ ɛkɔyɛ V8 ni on sɛ ɛkɔyɛ V8 ni saa no ma no bi ankanyɛ ni sɛ yɛ hɔ ha kra yɛ hwɛ kai anka ka na mu mpo wu na wahwɛ kaba this time ka na yam ama oh no bo sɛ de make na why den wahwɛ what asie enti eduru ba bi a cars no ne board nyɛ sɛ bi a ne board sɛ omo yam na ne board but the man na boy ye dey no na utimi nso a na e protect won kwa samwe samado akwanhia bia betimi akele wo de but our car so abefro so sometimes it me contribute to wahu de ebesi mesramo yam free eye I can say sa akwanhia yi so na yen toa so ewo ense
so while everybody
be what they am yen about eye awudie bi akwadaketwa bi a abemu abi a obi efa sabi nase abemu abi a coach bi efa nase ewo Ghana yenti dey work about it.
So while everybody is doing the Lord's work by talking about this whole Ochanya situation, I want to talk about the small things that lead us there. Let's start from how students are supposed to cut their hair because it's too distracting for them, and then also some people will say the teachers. Since when did hair stop somebody from understanding what's written on a board? Girls must cut their hair, girls shouldn't wear this or that. Do you know the rhetoric you're pushing? You're basically enabling these teachers and their backward mindset, like the guy that came to make a video about how he's so distracted by students who have been put in a school where they're supposed to be feeling safe in a fucking uniform, a uniform that is cut by the school for the students, that is supposed to be decent, right? It's decent, right? If decency is what the problem is, isn't that decent? It pushes blame from the teachers to the students that if a teacher is distracted by your hair, then you must change, not the teacher's behavior. Or if a girl is harassed, then she shouldn't have looked too grown, which is crazy. And these things start small. True story, guys. I went to the police headquarters one time and I was in biker shorts and I was literally stopped by the security guy because I was dressed indecently. He was exchanging words with me and there were women around that were siding with him. I didn't know the police station had a dress code. What if I had come there to report that I had been raped? Will you tell me to go back home and change my clothes because of what I'm wearing? And also, how am I supposed to believe that you will not blame me in those clothes? Do you see where I'm driving this conversation? You will blame me for getting raped because I deserve it for what I'm wearing, because in your opinion I'm dressed indecently and it's too distracting. How am I supposed to believe that you would tell me that it's not my fault when you think that I'm a walking billboard for the distraction of men? And it's the police station. I should be able to walk in even naked to report anything because anything might have happened. Do you understand? And also, it's my taxes. The fuck? We are teaching girls to cover up because they are too distracting to men. Mind you, these are some of the clothes that people who have been raped were wearing. Baby clothes. These are onesies. Guys, I'm going to be inserting pictures. It's insane. Like, look, are you shocked? No, I'm not, because I know that they rape babies. They rape any fucking body. I just want you guys to understand that if you keep saying that boys will always be boys and that women should cover up and that what were you doing there and that why did you have hair and that why are your nails long, why are your lashes long, why is your skin green, why are you looking pink, why are you looking gray, why is your hair too small, why are your lips too big? You are removing the responsibility from the men and you are placing it on the women, and it is the men that are benefiting. Understand that there will always be a woman walking alone on the street. There will always be a baby in a daycare where a man exists. There will always be a girl in her father's home where she's raped by her own father. There will always be a girl around her uncle. There will always be a girl in school where she's taught by a man, a predator. So instead of telling women, do not walk here late, do not do this, do not do that, do not look pink, do not look green, and making a woman's responsibility protecting themselves from getting raped, tell men to stop raping and killing us, because they are the ones that need to be stopped, not us. And also tell these women enablers that murderers and rapists do not discriminate. You are a woman, you are not bigger than the program, okay?
Yes, that's quite educative, and you subscribe to your channel for updates. Now amazing, aka you talk too much. Memfa wo ANC ahase